Hey everyone, this is Bo. Today we're working on a toy box for my daughter's room. Pretty small, pretty simple. It's only 33 inches long, 16 inches wide, and 16 inches tall. Simple frame and panel construction, and it's a good opportunity to use a bunch of scrap wood that I had laying around. So I've got a bunch of 1/2-inch plywood that I'll use as the panels. And then for the frames, my father-in-law had a bunch of old shelving material that was in his basement, and he gave it to me like a little over a year ago. It's been sitting in my shop, just kind of waiting for a project to use it on. So I figured this was a good opportunity to use that lumber. So I've milled it up. I've got it face jointed and thickness, and then just did the edge here. And so I've got quite a bit of nice Douglas fir. Smells nice. I definitely went a little crazy on how much I cut down and milled, because this is really all I need, plus a little bit over there, and this is all. I think I have more extras than I do the actual pieces I'll need, but I didn't know what I had underneath the polyurethane and underneath the stain, and then cutting around knots, I didn't know what I'd end up with, so I just kind of went a little crazy. In hindsight, I wish I wouldn't have cut some of those so narrow, but anyway. And so we're going to move on to ripping these to width at the table saw. They are all going to be a little bit different width. The legs are the thickest, the bottom rails are the next thickest, and then the top rail is the thinnest. And then we'll rip the groove for the panels, and then we'll start some joinery. So here we go, let's get to it. All right, we've got grooves cut, tenons cut, grooves cut in the legs, and then we've got, recently I've been just cutting my grooves all the way through and then filling them back in with some material, especially if it's gonna be painted. So you can see I filled in the groove with some small pieces of wood, and these are exactly 2 inches high, which is where I want my lower rail to sit on the bottom. So that'll be a nice positive stop for the tenon to hit. Next two things, I've measured for the side panels, all 4 of those, ready to cut those the length and size. And I also need something to attach the bottom to. And so I'm going to rip some cleat material out of this and screw and glue that to the inside of all my lower rails, and then the bottom will sit on that. So here we go, gonna cut some more wood and cut some more wood, let's do it.